Honestly, definitely not qualified to be giving tutorials. My tutorials are more for the people that don't like following directions, just kind of need to see how it's done and like you'll figure it out. I'll walk you through how I do it, but we are going to be making a t-shirt that you thrifted. Like this is too large for me and it's cute, but I want it to be like a baby tee, kind of like how these fit. Like this is my favorite type of fit for any type of t-shirt. This one, which is really cute, I like the little like mesh of it too. It would be cool if I could make like a little mesh baby tee, but like I'm just gonna use this baby tee today as a stencil. I'll show you how to do it. I would say this will take like a half an hour tops if you have like mediocre baseline sewing skills. I'm gonna use this one today. I honestly use like makeup highlighter to trace around because it's very easy to like wipe off and it's easy to see. But I only really have this guy because I left my highlighter in New York City. But use whatever you want and just trace around the outline of the shirt here. You can turn inside out if you want, but I usually always am like outlining like with a little bit of seam allowance. So when I do sew it, you won't see any marks that I left on the shirt anyways. This is very, very rough. It doesn't have to be so precise. And I kind of like to have my sleeves like a little bit shorter on the inner armpit and a little bit longer out on the top to give that kind of cap sleeve. So that's what I'm keeping in mind too when I'm creating. You can probably barely see that, but I can, and that's all that matters. Now we're just gonna cut that out. A little jagged, but she's already looking like a baby tee. Essentially, we just gotta sew up the sides and it's kind of done. We do have to flip her inside out. Okay, so the top is connected to each other, so we're really just like flipping it inside out like this and realigning it. Honestly, like between this sewing machine and my New York City one, I like this one better if you want to invest in one. I don't know, it's just like more compact, easier to use. My other one's like too complicated. Ah, she's so smooth. Oh my god, oh my god, I love this one so much more. Tell by the way she walks in the room. Okay, ready? Can't tell if I'm sweating a fever or sweating because it's hot out. Whew, she was embarrassing me for a minute, but we got her squared away. Watch this. Okay, so at this point, I like to do a try on. I'll flip it inside out, see if I want it any tighter on the sides. Then we'll, like, once I finalize the sizing around the stomach area, that's when I'll go and cuff the sleeves and then hem the bottom. So I think it's pretty good. I think I just kind of like need a little bit more space in the sleeve region. I'm gonna take this up to make it more of that like cap sleeve look. We're ballin', we're ballin'. You can see how it looks on the side, pretty clean. The hem on the bottom, what I'm gonna do is fold it once, like that, and that's what I would sew on. For the sleeve here, I think I kind of want to do a little incision right here and then fold it in. Like I'll have to turn it inside out and then tuck it under and just like sew along like a one fold hem. And so now I'm going to go around, sew it like that. See what I mean? Okay, I think it's literally pretty good. Like, I would thrift this. It fits me just how like that blue t-shirt fit me. Same style. If anything, the arms might still be a little bit tight, but I personally am okay with that. You can adjust. Like, that looks legit. I can finally wear this now. I love where this hits me. I'd be wearing a lot of low-rise stuff now, so this will work so much better in my closet. So that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that kind of helped. I do kind of more quicker tutorials and more frequent videos on my TikTok. Definitely follow me on Instagram for like daily posts to stay on top of it. I really want to and need to start posting on YouTube more. It just takes so much time. Let me know what you want to see and I'll be happy to make more videos. Bye, y'all.